It's not beside that. Where are the questions? You need to be in the questions.
Right, and then you learn.
It says, what the hunter not to be trusted? It's horse, right? This is part 2, part 3, to part 4. It says, what was Mona's crossing when in saw the glowing eyes of wolves? I answered,
Lord, maraming salamat din po sa pagbibigay po ng aming pinasya na pangailangan sa araw-araw, Lord, sa mga trabaho na
hang on to part 4. This is the part 5 now. So it's not, this is repetitive.